Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a vanity tour / makeup collection overview. I'm not going to show you everything that I have, but I'm going to show you how I have everything set up and organized in my vanity. I haven't done one of these yet, so I thought it would be perfect to do that. I am currently pre-filming a ton of videos for while we're on vacation. I am trying to bust out a ton of videos. I did film this face makeup. It is my daughter, my 2-year-old daughter picks out my makeup. If you want to see that, I will link it down below so you can check it out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I organize my makeup and my vanity tour, just keep watching. Okay, so this is a quick overview of my vanity and what it looks like. So I'm going to scoot you guys in closer and show you everything. Okay, so starting right over here, I bought this really cute, it is like a cupcake stand. I got it at TJ Maxx for $15 or $20, I think, which is a great price. It is very heavy and sturdy. So I used to have a smaller one and I kept buying foundation, so it was too small. So I had to get a bigger one. This is marble right here, and it's really heavy, so I don't know if it's real or not, but it's really heavy and I just love it. It's so cute. It has silver accents, which I would have preferred gold, but I think that it looks fine right here. It fits all my foundations on it, and I love being able to see all of the foundations that I have. This cute little plant in the background right here I got at Walmart. It was like $10. I just needed some greenery over here, so that's where I got that. My makeup brush holders, which actually I get a lot of questions on Instagram when I post pictures, I got those off the Wish app, and they were $1 each, I think, and then $1 for shipping, so $2 each. They are just these little plastic holders, and they have these cute cutouts on them. I absolutely love them. So that is what I keep all of my brushes in. We can start with the drawers. So the first drawer right in here are all of my primers and my setting sprays. I also have some skincare items back here, like serum and moisturizer. So the sprays are kind of hard. I just lay them all out right here. And then I have all my primers in here. All of these little containers I got from the dollar store. They fit in here perfectly. I have a bunch of them throughout my entire vanity. So I just have primers and setting sprays in this drawer. So that's pretty much what I start with. The next drawer is some of my eyeshadow palettes. These are some of the smaller palettes that I have. I actually decluttered probably like 20 eyeshadow palettes, and so these are some of the ones that have made the cut, or some of the newer ones that I have gotten. And those ones I just kind of lay out so I can see. The next drawer down here, this is one of the deeper drawers, and this is also an eyeshadow palette drawer. So I like this one because you can stack the shorter palettes and just have them stacked so you can see all of them right here, and I feel like that's really, it makes it a lot easier to choose. I also have the new Jaclyn Hill Vault and some bigger palettes that I can't stand up. I just have them laying down stacked right here. And then I do have another one of those little containers, and I have my Stila Magnificent Metal Glitters, and I also have my ColourPop Supernova Shadows, which are pretty much the same thing. So all my eyeshadow things are in these two drawers. In this next drawer, this is another one of the deeper drawers. I have my favorite eyelashes stacked in right here. And then right behind it, I have another one of those little containers, and this just has my eyelash glue. It also has little scissors that I use to cut my eyelashes to fit them to my eye, my eyelash curler, and eyelash applicator. Basically anything for lashes goes in this one right here. Then I have this really cute container that I got from Ross, I believe. It's super cute, and I have it filled with all of my different eyeliners, and that's how I keep those separated. All of those are just kind of thrown in there. And then this bottom drawer, this is just another big drawer. I have all of my hair care stuff in here. I have my wet brush, I have my Batiste dry shampoo, I have my curling iron, my straightener, and my blow dryer in this one. So that is just my hair care drawer. So now I'm going to move you guys to the other side. So right over here I have all of my sunglasses. I get comments on those all the time. I really just use tacks and a ribbon to put all of them up there. I tried to buy a cute sunglass holder, but clearly I have way too many for a cute sunglasses holder, so I just put them all on display on my wall. So this is my lipstick holder. I bought this acrylic organizer from someone in town. They were just selling it for like $10, and I thought it was a really good deal, so I got that. And then these ones on the bottom, I felt like this was too short, so I actually bought these little clear containers at the dollar store, and they were right by all the makeup, and I bought 6 of them and I just glued them together, so they are 2 tall and 3 wide. So I spent $6 putting this together, and then I just put it underneath this one, and it made it tall enough because I felt like this alone was short, and obviously I had too many lipsticks, so I needed more storage for that. So I basically have my favorite liquid lipsticks up here, some more liquid lipsticks, and then these drawers are mainly liquid lipsticks. This one right here has my lip liners, but I hardly ever use lip liners. And then these are all my bullet lipsticks in this drawer, and these 4 right here. And then these 2 drawers are just kind of random. They just have whatever in there. Yeah, that's my lipstick. I'm gonna go ahead and move you guys down. Okay, so now onto this side of my drawers. In this first drawer, I have my eyebrow products in this random container. I have no idea where I got this. And then I have my concealers in these 2, which are also from the dollar store containers. So I have 2 containers of concealers. I love complexion products, so I test so many of them out. And then in these 2 back here, I just have other random foundations that I don't have on my foundation stand. In this second drawer, I have all my contour products and my powder products. So I have a ton of powders, actually. Well, I feel like I have a ton of powders. There's like stuff all the way shoved back there. But again, I have these containers, and these are holding powders. I have a couple cream contour products right here. These are just a bunch of powders as well. And then these are my contour palettes right here. Nothing too crazy. In this next drawer, these are my bronzers and my blushes, which is so funny because I have way more blushes than I have bronzers, and I don't really like blush that much. Like, I like blush, but I definitely like bronzer more. I just don't test that many out, and I almost always use my butter bronzer. That's just such a good one. If you guys have any really great bronzer recommendations, let me know, because I definitely want to test some more out. And then this drawer right here is one of the bigger drawers. So was this one. These 2 were the bigger drawers. So in this one, I have all of my glitters back here, and then I have this container full of mascaras. And then these 3 containers are full of highlighters, because why not be that extra? And then I also have highlighters stacked right up front, just some highlighting palettes. And these all fit in here really nicely. I really like these containers for the highlighters because they fit in there so nicely. And like I said, they're from the dollar store. And then in this bottom drawer, these are just all makeup items that I'm decluttering. This is all stuff that I don't really use that often and I am getting rid of or giving away. Okay guys, so that was my vanity tour. If you guys want to see a more in-depth makeup collection video, let me know. I can definitely film that. I will also link the video down below of me assembling and putting together my vanity if you guys want to check out that video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with any future videos that you want to see. Like I said, I will link this makeup look down below so you can check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.